Hey guys, I wanted to make this video just to give you guys some information. A question that I've gotten asked a lot, and that is, what kind of wheels are you running? So the wheels that I have are made by ESM. It's nothing, it's nothing expensive. It's something that a lot of people should be able to afford if they're in the search for wheels. Whenever I got the wheels, I didn't know how they were gonna look. I didn't know what the actual build, the quality of the wheel was gonna be. It's just something that I wanted to get something different. It actually turned out to be a good purchase. I haven't had any issues with them. I've somehow hit some bumps, potholes, not too big, but I've hit some before. And the wheels are still holding up. I haven't had any issues with cracking or the wheels leaking air. So another thing is they have been out of stock, so I don't want you guys to think, if you guys have asked me about them, I don't want you guys to think that I'm lying to you. They've been out of stock for a few months. I've talked to them before about it, and at one point I didn't see them on their website, and I'm not sure if they have them on there now. But if you guys look them up, the company, it's ESM, and the model of the wheel, it's 021. So you guys can look those up, and the specs that I'm running are 18 by 9.5 and 18 by 10.5 in the rear. Offset is plus 22 all around. My opinion, if you don't want to stretch the tire, if you have an LCM model, you would probably want to run a 9.5 in the rear as well. But honestly, the stretch that I have on there now, it's a mild stretch. Bodywork, I don't have any bodywork done to it besides the rear fenders being rolled, and they might be slightly pulled. I tried to pull them out a little bit. I feel like I wasn't very successful at it. Rubbing, I don't have many rubbing issues. Only if I were to have maybe, say, a person in the, maybe one or two people in the back, depending what their weight is. Other than that, I don't really have any issues with rubbing. And the only thing is, it doesn't really bother me either way, just because I usually never have anybody in the back. Why do I have a 4-door? I don't know. I had one 2-door car, and after that, they've always been 4 doors. Every time I'm gonna buy another car, I tell myself, all right, I'm gonna get a 2-door this time. For some reason, I never do. I always get a 4-door. I guess I'm a sedan person. Who knows? And if you guys have any other questions, leave a comment down below or message me on Instagram like some of you guys have. But anyways, enough of me talking, and yeah, guys, enjoy.
Ryan Little.
Wow. What's going on, guys? As you guys have noticed, it is a snowy day in North Carolina today. We got hit where I live with about at least 5 inches of snow. At first they were saying that it was going to be maybe 3 or 4, and honestly, looking at it right now, it looks like it might be more than 5. Could be wrong, but I'm in the car right now. I decided to take it down the road at least to get some pictures. I'm not sure how the road is right now, but I'm hoping that being an extra, it's a little bit easier for me to get around. So we'll see how the pictures turn out, and if I can, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of footage as well. Well guys, my battery's about to die, and the one that I brought extra is apparently dead too. So if you can, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button for more videos in the future, and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, then sorry, I'll try to do better next time. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.